This machine is a pre-charged refrigerant modal. The whole machine and accessories display. Installation tool preparation. Remove the outer casing of the outdoor unit. Select a suitable position. Fix the external machine. Select a suitable position in the cab. Fix the internal machine. Connecting the pipelines of the indoor and outdoor units. Connect the internal machine cable. Connect the water pipe and secure it with a cable tie. Organize the pipelines and wiring harnesses. Connect the power cord to the original vehicle battery. After installation is completed, make sure that all operable lines are tightly connected. Unscrew the large end of the joint at the other end of the blue low-pressure pipeline. Add the pressure gauge to expose the small joint with a pin inside. Unscrew the interface cap below the low-pressure valve and connect the blue low-pressure pipeline at the pressure gauge. The pipeline in the middle of the pressure gauge is connected to the pressure pump. Turn on the vacuum pump switch. Before the low voltage switch is turned on, the pointer position is around 0. Open the valve. Vacuum for about 20 minutes. The pointer of the low pressure gauge pointing to the negative area indicates a normal vacuuming state. Close the valve. Unscrew the caps of the high and low pressure valves. Open the high and low pressure valves with an Allen wrench. Turn on the air conditioner and circulate the refrigerant from the outdoor unit to the indoor unit. For pre-charged machines, only the low voltage value needs to be checked. After the fluorine discharge is completed, tighten the high and low pressure valve caps. Unscrew the low pressure connecting pipe on the pressure gauge and tighten the interface cap.